Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to download the Windows 10 ISO file from the Microsoft Windows website. Now there are a lot of benefits of having this file. So first I'm going to show you how to download it and then show you how you can use it and the benefits of having it. So the first step is to go to your favorite browser and then search for Windows 10. I'm going to link it in the description below. Now go to the first website. Here you only have two options: Windows 10 2022 update, where you can download it and update to the most recent Windows 10, or the create Windows 10 installation media. Now the media creation tool is used, you can use it when you have a strong internet connection and you have a more recent laptop or machine. You cannot have any errors. But if you have an older laptop like second gen, third gen, let me show you how you can download the ISO file. So the first step is to right click your mouse and then go to inspect. Go to the farthest right, you have these three dots. Go to more tools, network conditions, and then you land on this page. Ignore all this, these are just the programming things of the website. Now here you have the user browser default. So the website is detecting that you're using Windows OS, and that's why you cannot be able to download Windows 10 ISO. You have to untick this one and then change the operating system so that the website thinks you're using a different OS. For me, I'm going to choose Chrome OS, and then you reload the page. Now you can see the page becomes quite different because you have now Windows 10 2023 update, all that, and then you can select the edition, which is the Windows 10 multi-edition, and confirm. Now you can select the language, which is English International. You can select any language that you'd like. The next step is to select whether you want a 32-bit ISO or a 64-bit ISO. Now this is essential because if you do Windows installations, you can download the 32 and 64 and store them somewhere in a separate storage so that you can always come to them when you need them. Now you can just download any of the two. I'll choose this one. It's around 5.7 GB. Now, if you want to have even faster downloads, you can check or download IDM. It gives you faster downloads. And then you can download the ISO file. I already downloaded it. I have it stored here. Now, this one, when you have the Windows 10 ISO, you can now boot flash drives, but I use a software known as RUFUS. This is how you download RUFUS. Just search for RUFUS and then go to downloads. Choose the first one and then download. So when you open RUFUS, you're going to see that you have some options here. This is the device name. When you plug in a USB drive, it must be 8 GB or higher. So that is the device name that you're going to see there. And then you have to select the ISO tool that you want. Now, in this case, we want to use the Windows 10 ISO tool. You select it, go to where you saved it, and then you can choose whether you want to do standard Windows installation, which is the most used option, or Windows to go. Now, here is where downloading the ISO file has the most of its benefits. Newer laptops use GPT as their partitioning scheme, but older laptops or machines use MBR. Older laptops and machines which use that generation chips or fourth all the way down there, they use MBR. Now, if you want to install Windows in an older machine, you have to come here and select MBR. And then you start. You have some options that you can check here, but you can check them later. So when it finished, you will have a bootable flash disk, which you can use to install Windows. And if you need to use the flash disk, you can flash it. Because you have the Windows ISO file stored, you can always do the booting. Now, I hope that was helpful. If you want more of this, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.